I had to delete the stupid videos I was recording. Okay, so you open it. Here's the macaroni. Here's the cheese. I like to put extra or something like that. Here's the macaroni. It's plain right now. Can you guys see it? That's the macaroni. I'm going to put it in water. You're going to put, you see this line right here? You see this line? That's where it stops. So put it in water. I put it in water already. Come look at it, guys. Look at, you can see it? Yeah. I put it in water. Right above, right, like straight in the line. Why do they keep doing this? Just because when I was here does not mean you guys get to put food in the microwave. Well, put it in line. He'll be in there for a while, but I believe he will make it out. Just not today. Oh my god. My auntie keeps making soup for these little kids that she's taking care of. And all they're doing is waste the soup. She keeps putting it in here. Bro, I'm gonna have to talk to Tata about this. Because I'm getting really mad about that. Because she's always making soup for these kids. But then they never eat it. Like, that's my problem. I mean, it's okay to eat it. Because that's why God made food to eat. But if you keep wasting it, that's stupid. It's a microwave. It's warming up. Can you guys see that? It's warming up. Anyway, I'm gonna check on. See, what is that? It's not even on. Yes, it is. Help me. I'm so bored. Okay. You took it? What? The juice. What is that? Look at their bunk bed, guys. This is my sister. That's my cousin's on top, his sister. And this is his. But you guys, look. So let me tell you for the story time, okay? So when I finished building this bed for them, I asked my cousin that's sleeping right there, but I'm not going to show you her. I asked my little cousin that's sleeping right now, I asked her to go on the bed that he sleeps. I closed her in. She cannot get out. Oh my god. I thought that once you're in it, I thought you just push yourself, like push the thing open. Since it's like a little draw, just push it open. But she was literally stuck in there. It was so funny. And then his sister, my cousin, I have two cousins. Actually, three. I have more, but they're not here. So, these three I have. So his sister, is my cousin. Oh, no, I'm not gonna talk about them. They're not here. I'm talking about the one that do live here. Look at this, guys. Waste of food. Waste of freaking food. What is this? What is that? What is that, guys? What is that? What is that, Jumbo Juice? Yes. Oh, okay. Well, you better drink that. Hey, look, let me check on my thing. Do this on my table, because I really need space right now. Ooh. Sorry if I'm switching sideways and up down, but I like doing sideways and doing vlogs and stuff. So we can. Hey. Yes. Can you guys see it smoking? Can you guys see it? Oops. Can you guys see this? It's like the smoke, like the aroma is like.
You remember yesterday I was having the cookies?
Yeah.
The cookies were so good.
Let's be honest, I don't care. Okay, so with the butter.
Grandma used all the eggs yesterday.
Who?
Grandma.
Well, mommy bought new ones. Oh, I would put the cheese right here because. Who?
Take out the peas.
Ew, it's disgusting. Can you just... Noah! What's up? This little kid. That's disgusting. But we all look at this. Where's Tata? Come on here. Can you open this, please? Okay. I'm going to talk about it. Cooking Squad. I know we're dark. We're really dark, aren't we?
Oh, there you go.
Which one?
I just added it in there.
Yeah.
Here.
Here. Thank you. So this is what you do. So I have a kissing him, but he's my cousin, so I don't care. And I don't give a fuck what you guys say because he's my cousin. Okay? You're mad because you guys want to be us to the haters, not to the supporters, to the haters. So I hate when people always hate. Oh shit, they're making out. Well, because he was in my class. He was in 4th grade, but he's not saying to my class. I know he did, but. And then this boy immediately said, oh, we're making out. We were just talking. Well, anyway, you're mad because you're not us. So, bye-bye. Bye, bitch. Bye. Nobody wants you here. Okay. Where's the school? I thought we already... Okay, hold on. I'm going to do this again. This is what you do. You mix up the cheese. Oops. You just mix it up. To add the flavor, you need butter and salt.
Add flavor to it.
So what happened now?
This is what it looks like right now. You still need to mix it up. But yeah, I turned my light on because this just needs to work. Look at this.
La fini met maye kagala. Maye unyo kla ko do bete yo.
Oh, I'm not saying that because you guys keep stuffing this microwave just because Uncle North here doesn't mean you guys get to stuff things up.
Kot bay
And I know he would stop that.
Bay ndo dia.
He was on vacation.
Gale bi lampe fi dia mbakon so gade.
Look at the back.
Deno go. Yeah, ti mama.
Well, you can have it. I know.
Ano ki sa yu comme ça papa bon Dieu. Ki ko ta jeni?
Pizza.
Ça.
You like it? You like it? Hey. Squad. Notification squad. So you need the butter. You need this butter. And then you need salt. So let me get the salt. Oh yeah, let's do the horsey back. Let's do it. Let's just do it for her. Horsey back. Horsey back. Horsey back. This is what you do. Every day so. Who you suck. Couldn't give it to him.
Na bi so mama yela mgangu.
Okay. You have the French fries. You cute. Here's some. With the crust. Okay. I'll give you the hot dogs. They look pretty. I'll give you one. You didn't want it. I didn't want it. Okay, I'll give you some, but I'll give you some later. Let me warm it up. Hey. Yeah. Bye-bye. nice. And this side.
Hey, Papa Mesla.
Let me show you how you do it. Belly dance. Belly dancing.
Hey, what manger soup? Absorbe vous. Absorbe ça, ouvert.
That's your grandma's cousin.
Moi, c'est au café Mesla, moi.
No. Just get you guys know where he should see it.
Yes, I'm going to buy that.
Oh, not for him.
Stop it, I'm everybody wants to.
This is how it's supposed to look like. Now to add the flavor, it may look good, but you never know, it might not taste good. That's what you need this. I feel like a little like scoop of butter. Can you just put this butter in here? One more scoop. One more scoop. This much like a scoop. And chunk it. It's gonna melt in there, so that's why. Then you're gonna need soap. Don't fall with soap because you don't want your food to be salty. You don't want your mac and cheese to be salty. So, just bear with me, guys. Woo! Up. Get out of my mom's room. I don't care. Yeah. Do your
Go by that side, go to the video.
Jojo, you better eat it here right now. You better eat it. I'm not playing with you. Now you waste your time to make soup for you, don't want to eat it. I'm not playing with you. Here you go. No, hold it. Big spoon. Here. You better eat it. I'm watching you. I don't care. I will beat you. I do not care. Wasting people's money, wasting people's time to make soup for you, and then you don't want to eat it. That's not fair to me. Why do you need one soup for? What you didn't want it? Why do you need one soup? Got it.
Because it's cold.
What are you doing? Are you eat that? Are you going to eat that? It's like, I don't know how to do it. This girl dancing. This girl dancing. This girl dancing. I can do it today.
No, the disco dance in front. Let's take this.
Wait, let me see.
Let's take this.
In Fortnite. This is real life.
You know what I used to hate when I was in kindergarten? When I was in kindergarten in first grade, my teacher, whenever they were like, dance party, and my teacher used to always do this.
Let's do it. Let's do dance. This is how I do the disco dance. Yeah. That's how I do the disco dance. That's my version. I don't know about your version, but this is my version. And so now your food is done. This is your food. Mac and cheese. Let her saucy like this. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all enjoyed this type of video. I plugged my headphones. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below which y'all want to watch.